Volkner Mobil Performance S. Redefining what it means to travel in luxury is the Volkner Mobil Performance S, which has a gorgeous look and performance that's unmatched. Having a peak speed of 100 miles per hour and a powerful engine that's capable of producing 500 horsepower, it easily mixes power and elegance. While the outside is distinguished by its sleek appearance, the inside is characterized by its luxurious furniture and cutting-edge technology. Especially noteworthy is the fact that this amazing motorhome has a built-in garage below the living area, which is large enough to accommodate a sports vehicle. EarthRoamer XV-LTS. A monument to unparalleled luxury and adventure on the road, the EarthRoamer XV-LTS is a vehicle that stands out from the crowd. It's constructed on the chassis of a heavy-duty vehicle and is designed for all-terrain exploration. Additionally, it's equipped with solar electricity for living offline. Both power and dependability are provided by this vehicle with a maximum speed of 75 miles per hour and a powerful engine that generates 330 horsepower. Although the exterior demonstrates rough sturdiness, the inside oozes elegance, mixing comfort with high-end finishing to create an atmosphere of luxuriousness. Marchi Mobil eleMMent Palazzo Superior. The RV engineering that went into the Marchi Mobil eleMMent Palazzo Superior is nothing short of a miracle. It's able to seamlessly blend speed and elegance, given that it has a peak speed of 93 miles per hour and a strong engine that produces 600 horsepower. Its facade is a showcase of futuristic design, while the inside is a sanctuary of grandeur, boasting a sumptuous master bedroom and sophisticated amenities. The motorhome, which has a rooftop terrace, reimagines the concept of luxury travel by emulating both opulence and innovation in every aspect of its design. Furrion Elysium. The Furrion Elysium is a revolutionary motorhome that combines exceptional power and luxurious comfort in a seamless manner. With a starting peak speed of 90 miles per hour and a powerful engine that produces 600 horsepower, it's both quick and threatening when it's driven on the road. The exterior radiates an air of refinement, while the inside is a marvel of comfort and elegance designed to wow. The concept of luxurious travel is being redefined with each mile that's traveled by this recreational vehicle, which is effectively a penthouse on wheels and has a rooftop helicopter landing pad and a hot tub. Knaus Sun I LEG. With its flawless integration of power, style, and comfort, the Knaus Sun I LEG is the epitome of all that's great about motorhomes. Having a max speed of 87 miles per hour and a powerful engine that produces 180 horsepower, it guarantees a voyage that's both smooth and efficient. The interiors are vast and give a sense of modernism and elegance, which complements the elegant external architecture of the building. The immaculate workmanship of this high-end motorhome, which incorporates premium amenities such as a heated floor and a full-size shower, redefines the concept of comfort and convenience when traveling. Concorde Centurion. When it comes to RVs, the Concorde Centurion is a formidable competitor, offering exceptional levels of both speed and power, having a peak speed of 100 miles per hour and a powerful engine that produces 700 horsepower. It simply dominates the route. The front of the building exudes a sense of grandeur, while the inside is filled with richness at every turn. It reaffirms its standing as a symbol of luxury and refinement on wheels by showcasing high-class finishes and facilities, including a vehicle garage that's reminiscent of the Volkner. Also, it's one of the biggest motorhomes that exists. Newmar King Aire. When it comes to motorhomes, the Newmar King Aire is unrivaled, since it has a cutting-edge technology and places a premium on comfort. Having a peak speed of 85 miles per hour and a powerful engine that's capable of producing 605 horsepower, it easily mixes performance and refinement characteristics. While the outside emanates beauty, the inside provides a refuge of luxury for those who make their home there. Overall, the King Aire establishes a new benchmark for luxurious travel by virtue of its roomy interior designs and cutting-edge driving assistance systems. Winnebago Horizon. Within the realm of RVs, the Winnebago Horizon stands out as a remarkable example of how innovation and design can be simply combined. Both power and economy are offered by this vehicle, which is a peak speed of 85 miles per hour and a powerful engine that produces 450 horsepower. The facade of the RV has clean lines and contemporary aesthetics, while the inside emanates a domestic atmosphere and features high-end finishes. Bringing a modern spin to the design of recreational vehicles, the Horizon establishes a new standard with its living areas that are both sumptuous and useful. American Coach American Eagle is a camper that's recognized for its grandeur and workmanship. The American Coach American Eagle is the epitome of luxury in the world of RVs. It's a vehicle that delivers both performance and prestige since it has a maximum speed of 85 miles per hour and a strong engine that has 600 horsepower. Its outside oozes elegance and refinement, while the inside has exquisite furnishings and large layouts from floor to ceiling. Overall, the American Eagle is a high-end motorhome that sets the standard for quality and luxury when traveling. Prevost H3-45 VIP. The Prevost H3-45 VIP is a recognized symbol in the world of motorhomes, and it's in very great demand because of the unrivaled elegance and grandeur it offers passengers. This vehicle has a peak speed of 75 miles per hour and a dominating engine that generates 600 horsepower, ensuring that it's both powerful and poised when driving. On the outside, it has minimalistic lines and a design that's stood the test of time, while on the inside, it features spacious floor plans and bespoke luxury finishes. The H3-45 VIP, which is well known among celebrities, reimagines the concept of grandeur by guaranteeing that every trip is an experience that is tailor-made to perfection. Renegade IKON. As far as RVs are concerned, the Renegade IKON represents the highest possible level of both power and elegance. Having a peak speed of 80 miles per hour and a powerful engine that's capable of producing 600 horsepower, it easily mixes acceleration and power. The outside of the vehicle has a clean and contemporary style, while the inside features many layouts that can be customized with cutting-edge technology. Constructed on a chassis designed for heavy-duty use, the IKON guarantees durability and dependability during every voyage. ShowHauler Custom 45 FT Coach. With its exceptional workmanship and adaptability, the ShowHauler Custom 45 FT Coach reimagines what it means to travel in luxury transportation. While on the road, it provides both power and performance thanks to its impressive engine that's capable of producing 600 horsepower and its peak speed of 75 miles per hour. The outside of the vehicle has a design that's both tough and sophisticated, while the inside offers a blank canvas for total customization, making it possible to respond to the taste and requirements of each person. In addition to being renowned for its sturdy construction and completely configurable features, the ShowHauler is designed to meet the needs of discriminating travelers who are looking for a room that's both personalized to their needs and luxury. Leisure Travel Vans Unity Murphy Bed. The Leisure Travel Vans Unity Murphy Bed is the epitome of elegance and ingenuity in a space-saving package. As a result of its peak speed of 70 miles per hour and its agile engine that produces 188 horsepower, it guarantees travel that's both efficient and pleasant. Despite the fact that its outside is characterized by clean lines and contemporary aesthetics, the inside is a pleasant surprise due to its vastness and intelligent design. The fold-down Murphy bed is an ingenious piece of furniture that increases living space, making it ideal for couples or lone travelers who are looking for comfort and convenience while they're seeing the world. Globe Traveler Pathfinder X. From the perspective of the motorhome business, the Globe Traveler Pathfinder X is a shining example of innovation since it combines eco-friendliness with contemporary luxuries in a seamless manner. It has a peak speed of 75 miles per hour and a dependable engine that delivers 160 horsepower, which guarantees the trips are smooth while also minimizing the environmental impact. While the outside of the vehicle is characterized by a design that's both sleek and aerodynamic, the inside is a pleasant surprise due to its spaciousness and modern finishes. Because it's outfitted with solar panels and equipment that are efficient with energy, it's the very best option for vacationers who place an emphasis on environmental responsibility without sacrificing luxury or convenience. And that wraps things up. We appreciate you watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.